fún wa ní full one àṣebí lọ́dí ebi kọ́ mo kú ṣe fídíò. Ohun tó wà important jù, which is very important, is number one, the phone that was used to message me, according to what I was told in command, belongs to Adura. The TikTok handle that was used to shut me up belongs to Adura Olopa. The content of the video is owned by Adura Olopa. And then the only thing they can tell me is, but at the end of the day, Adura owns all those things. But the person that sent it to you is Damola. I am not believing you. I might believe me, affidavit today. I might believe me, Damola is facing 5 count charges. Oshimawa Shekini, I might buy one of him ball or wow. Mbaf ni notice. Èmi mọ case tó wà lẹ̀. Ìkànnú ẹ̀ lè máa fọwọ́ mú àpẹ́ láyé ojú òní ríbi. It's either you all run and you run ẹ̀wọ̀nú gbẹ lọ. Ayé òní gbúrò yín mọ́. Ní wà níbi táwọn èèyàn wà. Ọ́ kẹ bọ́ta kẹ wá fèsì bá Mugari jẹ́jẹ́. Bọ̀ pé mi ẹ máa lé mi lórí kéèsì. The truth will not be established. Mo fọlọ́ màá búra ẹ̀ ṣe exercise ni. Kókó èmi nìkan màá bá protest. Èmi nìkan tó ti bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ protest ní zone 2 yẹn. Ẹ̀rí kò tẹ̀lé dé ogbó yẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n tí o bá ti yọjú lọ́la Wunmi Ọlọ́run fún ọmọ ẹ̀ lálàáfíà. Kéèsì tó wà nílẹ̀ is important. Mo mọ̀ pé máa sáà weekend. Ṣùgbọ́n tó o bá ti yọjú lọ́la Saturday or Sunday tí mi bá ti ṣe fídíò ní Ìdúrókò bọ́dà Kútọ́nù bọ́dà ẹ wo bóyá jìnnà síra wọn tó tí mi bá ti lọ ṣe fídíò bẹ́ẹ̀ kó wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ o kọjá ó lè sá lọ before then o. Ṣùgbọ́n tọ́lọ́ bá tún máa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe àwọn tí Kútọ́nù wọn náà àti Ìdúrókò àti airport wọn máa mọ̀ wọn láwọn kan ti lọ Tanzania mi mọ́jọ́ tó lọ tí ó àfi tó bá kó wà lára wọn tó ti yára nù. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá sí lára wọn ó máa honour AIG Assistant Inspector General of Police of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will never send you invitation pertaining to homicide kò wá ló yára nù àbó òní honour ẹni tó bá ń tọ́ ẹ pé you have the power mi ìfẹ́ mi tó wà lẹ́yìn ẹ. Ẹ bá jẹ́ káwọn ilé máa tọ̀ yín pé wọ́n ní tó bá ní power kọ́kọ́ ní ó yẹ kó ti ṣe the same thing pẹ̀lú Àdúrà náà tẹ̀bí lọ́ọ̀yà kan náà lójó ń jáde fáwọn ọ̀nbóbó yín ẹ̀jẹ̀ èmi lè máa tọ̀ ní tí mò ń fèsì fúnra mi ṣèbí mi wà bẹ́ẹ̀ mo dúró wọ́n expect gbogbo yín kẹjọ ya wá kẹwàá fèsì níbẹ̀ yẹn kẹwàá mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń pè fíìmù mọ̀ tó ń pè ní when you are chasing the truth and you are standing by what is right gbogbo yín tó dẹ́ wò pé ẹ̀rí actor ẹ̀rí seriousness tí mọ̀ mẹ́mẹ́mẹ́mẹ́mẹ́ wọ́n ní kẹ́ ṣe tó ẹlẹ́ẹ̀ni ṣe tó ẹ sì máa ṣe tó mo láìkí pé owó ọmọ ọgbọ́n àwọn tó já ẹ sí pé Wunmi gbọ́ gbogbo táwọn Yomi yẹn ń jù jáde má ṣeré o Thursday Friday wọ́n ń lọ answer tó bá answer invitation ọlọ́pàá ní Thursday Friday tó dẹ̀ mọ́ pé ó lẹ́bọ lẹ́rù ó fẹ́ ṣe weekend ní police cell o because Saturday Sunday ọ̀n kà mọ́ kò sínú working days o ó fún mi ní 2 days free enjoyment agbádùn ààrẹ so I understand bó ṣe ń lọ o fẹ́ fún mi ní 2 days extra pé kò tí ẹ kọ̀ fi kájọba wà ń bẹ̀ ká máa ó yẹ kí mo bó ṣe ń lọ because eléyìí tájọ kò sí òótọ́ máa jáde o òótọ́ máa jáde ẹni tó bá fẹ́ gbọ́ kó máa gbọ́ the third person that was in the video tí wọ́n gé 3 seconds ẹ̀ fún mi whether video yẹn 3 years ago whether video ìjọ tó pa Mohbad whether video ìjọ tó pa Mohbad èmi ṣàmọ̀ pé video tí wọ́n fi tàn èmi sóko that video they remove the 3 seconds the third person with Mohbad and Wunmi you know the third person mi ti fẹ́ dárúkọ onítọ̀hún that third person was not listed kò sẹ́ni tó dárúkọ ẹni gbogbo yín rárá láti lọ tẹ̀tí sọ̀rọ̀ kéèsì none of you lied to the police all of you tẹ́jọ́ wa nílé mi mọ̀ bóyá court lẹ́jọ́ ṣe o bóyá rival court ní ẹ̀yin lẹ́jọ́ ṣe Mohbad lẹ́ o I don't know what you guys are doing all I know is that the person that is bóyá executioner ní mi mọ̀ I don't know what you guys are doing tèmi ní pé ẹni tí ó pa Mohbad pẹ̀lú ẹni tí wọ́n jọ èèyàn in conjunction lè fi ṣe that particular individual Wunmi má sáré jù ẹni kẹta yẹn ó mọ̀ that person has a military experience ọ̀rẹ́ Mohbad ní tẹ́lẹ̀ bó ṣe dénú lẹ́yìn ó máa wá sọ o mo dẹ̀ sọ èmi máa dé bọ́dà yẹn o ìdíròkọ àti Kútọ́nù ẹ máa rí fíìmù bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀ wàhálà máa ṣẹlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà yìí. So koko of the matter is at the end of the day gbogbo èyí tẹ́ wà nílé ẹjọ́ yẹn you all know I'm saying the truth including you Wunmi. That individual his name never reflected at all. ẹ wá ń dúnkòkò mọ́ gbogbo àwọn tó yẹ kó sọ̀rọ̀ you are threatening those that were meant to talk àṣẹ ẹ̀yin ẹ̀ nìyẹn ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ pààyàn kiri nìyẹn and you claim you love this person wọ́n máa láti sọ ẹja bẹ́ẹ̀ jà gbogbo ojú kan wù ni wọ́n kàn fún ẹ ok gbogbo fíìmù yẹn á mọ̀ náà you all will now ẹ máa realize eventually apá abi tí Wunmi yẹn ti sòótọ́ let me tell you ibi tó ti sọ pé they killed the nigger shebi you guys have killed the nigger come and take your trophy she is speaking to the real people that came to buy Mohbad ẹ kọ́lẹ̀ bí mo ṣe sọ fún yín yẹn èmi ti bá sọ̀rọ̀ the stage kan kò sọ̀rọ̀ she is saying exactly the truth but at the end of the day o fẹ́ o kọ̀ pé o ní enjoy o máa gba nọ́mbà tó dá lọ́wọ́ fún ẹ àwọn ọ̀n ti ń rán àwọn fitted prison uniform o máa farabalẹ̀ enjoy ẹ̀ tẹ bá bọ̀ kó mo parọ́ ẹ pè mí lẹ́jọ́ torí àti bá dé stage pé àwọn rẹ̀ sì tẹ̀síra wa lójú this is not a gender war èmi mo ń fún yín ní grace mo fẹ́ kọ́kọ́ kó wọlé sí normal level kájọ wà lórí level yẹn kí tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí jáde fún ẹni kò ṣe pé mò ń fọ́ ẹni pé mò ń dárúkọ láti yọjọ́ ẹ̀ bọ́ ibi tá a bá dé ọmọ ẹ kò sọ pé irọ́ lè mi pa I cannot even fathom it how the person I want you to come out tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ oko lọ fi bá mọ̀ sí ẹ̀sùn sọ pé fídíò tí wọ́n yọ 3 seconds kúrò mbẹ̀ yẹn tó send sí mi yẹn o ẹ̀yin mẹ́ta tẹ́ wà ń bẹ̀ is only 2 of you lẹ́njà that there is no third person and that person mo ti fún mi ìfẹ́ sórúkọ ẹ̀ mo ti description yẹn kò ti tó fún ìtẹ́ súnmọ́ Mohbad I'm challenging spending all of you ẹ sọ pé irọ́ ni mò ń pa so when you are running today you know why you are running but má worry ọ̀làwà ń bẹ̀ make sure pé o honour invitation yẹn kàn pè mí ní orúkọ tí débẹ̀ máa kúrò bí tí mo wà máa dé ibi tó wà to face you is not my problem because this is I'm representing the public èmi ò mọ̀ pé bílẹ̀ ayé ṣe rí lélẹ̀ so bílẹ̀ ayé ṣe rí rè èèyàn kan máa tàn yín ẹ wo bí Nigerians you need to understand that we must place respect to some certain position in the authority ẹ má múnú bí AIG o so ẹ rò pé okay AIG tó ní kọ́ lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ case tó approve tó lọ court tó ní ẹ wọnú lè Mohbad yẹn ẹ ṣe gbá kan ẹ lọ gbé àdúrà yẹn wá tádúrà àpè wájú ẹ tó ní ẹ lọ ṣe gbá kan tó ní okay go and bring the Wunmi go and bring èèyàn kan máa àwa invite onítọ̀hún àwa ló ó normal everybody will enjoy their fundamental right kò dẹ́ ṣe kó sọ pé I am not coming ó lè máa tọ àwọn tẹ̀ ń tọ̀ ó wo pé òkè díẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ fọmọ yẹn ṣe òkè ara ọmọ òyà a lè gbọ́ yẹn ká bá lẹ̀ náà a máa fún ẹ lórí ọ̀fẹ́ torí pé the only reason tó dẹ̀ fi sọ ni pé lọ́ọ̀yà máa sọ fún ẹ ní pé kò sí bóyá fẹ́ rí tó bá lọ ní Thursday ọ̀la ọ lè má jarí ẹ bá sọ̀rọ̀ so Saturday Sunday holiday ló wà bí gbà tí wọn lọ body school ni so má ṣe ó nǹkan máa ti ṣe é bí wèrè má dán wèrè wò mo understand àwọn náà ti àti envisage yẹn ṣùgbọ́n lọ́la tó bá ti appear ẹ fi bóyá ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ lẹ̀ ẹ kọ́ máa tàn yín wọ́n máa bọ́ sórí kíní ẹ máa tàn yín. báwo lè ṣe fẹ́ fèsì gbogbo orú question yẹn tó máa lókè lọ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ padà wájọ́ kejì ẹ jẹ́ ká so tọrọ pẹ̀lú ra wa táwọn èèyàn ti fi òyìnbó ńláńlá àwọn òyìnbó kábìtì táwọn èèyàn gbé ọpọlọ kalẹ̀ ayé ẹ wọ̀ pé tí ìlú bá sí oúnjẹ fún yàn oúnjẹ aládàáná lálẹ́ àná yẹn pé oúnjẹ àwọn ọlọ́pàá gan rí àbìtì question wọn ní ikú ọlọ́pàá rí question ọlọ́pàá rí báwo lẹni ṣe fẹ́ sọ àti wọ́n kọ̀ káwọ́ sókè pé fídíò mẹ́ta péré lọ nínú ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́ka question tó kọ look at false evidence look at ọlọ́pàá ń pè léraléra ni lọ́ọ̀yà kọ́ àmì court sa nígbà tó bá pè ya Mohbad lọ́wọ́ ẹ wọ́n jẹ sọ lọ́wọ́ rẹ ẹ wọ́n bí Mohbad máa rí justice a máa tún fomi ṣàwọ́ lọ́wọ́ torí kò ṣe pa fẹ́ parọ́ mọ́ anybody. The only reason why we're going to be scared for what we are doing now is if we at any point in time we want to fabricate or we want to lie against somebody. No. Everything that we want to pursue is what happened naturally. They are the ones trying to run away from what happened naturally. I will recreate what happened. No, we're not recreating. We are only trying to follow what actually happened. They are the ones trying to cover it up. Gbogbo ohun tó wà ńbẹ̀ ló máa padà jáde àti CCTV o Tenu lè Mohbad o àti neighbor gbogbo ẹ̀ ló yìí bá jáde. Ẹ̀ ń ṣe exercise ni. Mo fi ọlọ́ọ̀bá búra exercise. Ẹ̀yin ẹ má kánjú mo ti sọ fún yín pé justice for Mohbad kéèsì yẹn gangan ó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ December 3rd torí ibi tó yẹ ká ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ lélẹ̀. Tá bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí ẹ rí pé gbogbo àwọn tó yẹ ká interrogate àwọn tó yẹ ká gbọ́ ó lè má lọ sí gbogbo ibi tó ti kọ́kọ́ pull out lọ́wọ́ kọ́ tẹ̀lé lọ́wọ́ àkọ́ yẹn pull out half truth is worse than a lie wọ́n ti tó àwọn half truth òun lọ́wọ́ kọ́ tẹ̀lé nísìn jẹ̀lẹ́ńkẹ́ni ó náwọn àwọn key ones tàbí àwọn kọ́ lẹ́yìn kọ̀ọ̀kan torí a máa need a whole day fún èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan àfẹ́ amúlùmálà a whole day tá à ń try láti lò fún àdúrà ní bàbá oní CCTV neighbor yẹn tó wọlé sáà nìyẹn kò tẹ̀ jẹ́ kó aig kọ́ nìkan yẹn ti máa kọ́ lọ́nà eléyìí ni major one first àlàyé náà sáré bọ́ta mo ní no problem ẹ má wọrí gbogbo ìta sáré sùt ta kọ yẹn ẹ má wọrí àbọ̀ abánitọ̀dọ̀ sí yẹn so ẹ má máa tẹ̀lé gbogbo oye I kept saying so what you need to understand is that the rule of law is sacrosanct and all of us must obey the law. You must cooperate with police investigation. I'm not coming back to normal, pep talk that should follow a human rights organization like us. When police invite you, or when police are giving you lawful order to arrest you, you are duty bound to still obey. Because Sophie to say you are bigger than the law. That if police, you don't know why they are inviting you. You don't even know. That police invite you does not mean that they will detain you. That police invite you does not mean they're going to be judging you. No. But there is nobody, no matter how highly placed, that will tell you if police invite you, don't honor. Ẹni tó bá sọ pé tọ́lọ́pàá bá pè é má dá wọn lóhùn. Ẹni yẹn òun gangan ní ọ̀tá ẹ̀. Because the moment you start running, you are giving the police another cute angle. In fact, guilty angle that if you are not guilty, you are not supposed to be running. After all, we didn't come to arrest you. We sent you an invitation. Especially when you have an idea of why they are inviting you. That way, you have ample opportunity to prepare yourself. In an event that you don't even know why they are inviting you, you are still duty bound to honor. But the moment you give false excuse, they will accept it under the law. Police can accept it. Okay, but what kind of phone date it here? Why didn't you come? If you give them a good excuse, talk about the evidence. Talk about inviting you on scene. They sent you an invitation. Come on Tuesday, and then probably peradventure that person run into an accident. Ori e kan ti ya, or apá ti ko, o ti ní POP gbogbo bi. Tó bá send e pé mo ṣe wá nsìn, mo ṣe operation mo accident lánàá yẹn. All the time gets me, ever me send a lawyer, send it to the IPO. IPO will look at it. This person has an accident. Okay. With the person being there, could they affect investigation? Police might choose to come to where you are and say, because this investigation is very important, we understand that you had an accident, but you are still alive, you can talk. Where are you? Police will travel down there instead of you coming to do their job. But in an event that you don't prove it to them, you say, I am not feeling well, or I have an exam to do on the day you said I should come, or there is an emergency, family emergency, or like the one Wunmi gave up. She said the son is not feeling well. How possible now? the normal person will say irony, but the law says you must believe it that ara ọmọ yẹn ò yá tòótọ́. Then you ask, okay, we are giving you another date, come tomorrow. If the child is not feeling well, if it's not a serious one, find somebody. You are not the one treating the child, you are only standing there to look after the, stay with the child, come to us. If not, we'll come for you. I get what I'm saying. So whatever the case may be, trust me guys, lábẹ́ bó ti lè wù kórí, mo sì sọ pé tí kò bá ti lọ lọ́la, Saturday or Sunday, I will attend all those borders. Ọlọ́run á fún mi ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ àti agbára. I will attend those borders and I will make sure I speak with them. Èyàn bá ẹ bá ó ní ẹ pé bye because as tomorrow morning, by the special grace of God, the police must go to court and obtain a warrant. Nítorí pé ó ti ń jọ pé ọmọ oró lè fẹ́ yádànù. This is homicide case. This is no time to give chance for anybody to yádànù. So bóyá ti yádànù àbọ̀ fẹ́ yádànù, they must effect and ensure that warrant so that they can pick this person anywhere. Torí àmọ́ bí tamati rí báyìí, àmọ́ lé ẹ̀, we don't know where she lives. Ọgbà ọlọ́dọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ ló ń gbé, Ìyábọ̀ ti travel, ìyẹn máa nílé òun ti wà lock and key. So gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n ti ṣe gbogbo level jọra wọn pọ̀, kò sí lé. So òun gbọ́ ti rí call wọn. I'm sure she must have seen their call. So she's in Tanzania already. Kò sí wàhálà, Tanzania ló kéré jù. Mélòó ni Tanzania bẹ́ẹ̀? Kókó bẹ̀ ni pé at the end of the day, I get saying, we don't know where she is at the moment. So lábẹ́ bó tilẹ̀ ń kórí, ó ń ṣe exercise ní sẹ́ẹ̀. Àtijọ́ tó ti mọ̀ pàdúrà àti lọ yẹn lọ́ti gbòòṣe, wọ́n ti ń ṣètò, wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé next roll call ni, wọ́n ti mẹ́ni tó kàn. But ẹ má worry, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lé ẹ̀sán lórí yẹn. Wọ́bìlì wíṣkì èmi tẹ́ ń wò yìí, olóòráyè òun lẹ́ ń wò yìí. When I am fighting for truth and justice, kò kí ń rẹ́ mi, kò kí ń sú mi, àjọ máa nà tán bí owó. I get what I'm saying, ibikíbi tó bá wù kẹ́ wà, wherever you are hiding, mo fi Ọlọ́run bàbúrà tó bá ṣọ́ra, you become a fugitive. Ọwọ́ dẹ̀ ṣe máa tẹ̀, you are only going to buy time. Torí kò sí no more hiding place, kò sálágbára kankan ló ń ṣe kíní kan, àwọn kíní kan ló wà mẹ́. All of you foul. Àníṣe fúnra rẹ̀ ló máa sọ. Ẹni kẹta yẹn tẹ́jọ́ wà nù fídíò tó yọ 3 seconds yẹn, ó máa sọ, you tell the police. Kò ṣe pé wọ́n mọ̀, fúnra ẹ̀ ló máa sọ. You will tell them confidently yourself. Any attempt to say over parọ́, you are making a mistake. By now, kẹ́ máa gbọ́, ìyá Mohbad ẹ sọ fún ìyàwó yìí ni. Ẹni kẹta tó wà nù bẹ̀ yẹn, and that third person, that person's name never even came up at all in the course of the àtẹni tó sọ lórí social media o, àtẹni tó ti lọ fún lẹ́yìn o, kò sọ ọ̀sán. So how the person got into the house that day, what the person did, ìwọ Wunmi náà ló máa sọ fún rẹ̀. I know, yes, yeah, and they took him. Ikú tó yẹ kí Mohbad kú, òun ni tó yẹ kí Liam kú. So why would they want to buy Mohbad? Was that the condition given to you that tó o bá ti lè yanjú Mohbad ọmọ ẹ la máa fi di? At the end of the day, o wò pé Mohbad ọmọ I don't want to pàdánù ọmọ ìwọ máa yáda nù. O kí ẹ̀ pa ya Mohbad, o kí ẹ̀ pa àbá Mohbad. Ó tẹ̀ pé ìyàgò fún rẹ̀ gan, òun gan fẹ́ràn. Ọmọ ẹ̀ pa ìyàgò ń ṣe bálabàlá. Ọlọ́run wà lórí òkè, wọ́n fọ̀rọ̀ mi sádùúrà báyìí. Àwọn ọmọ ìfẹ́ rí, but we gather day. Ẹ fọkànbalẹ̀, ẹ má wọrí. So mo ti gbé yín débẹ̀ yẹn o, kẹ́lẹ̀ mọ́ bóyá ń lọ o. I've just told you guys the truth, ó lè má ti yẹ yín bọ̀rọ̀. The reason why I'm taking my time, mo sún ẹnu kò, because mi ìfẹ́ kó jẹ́ pé òun fúnra ẹ̀ ló máa ṣe kí ni. But ó ti mọ̀ pé àṣírí ti tú. That's the honest truth. Àṣírí ti tú. So bóyá AIG tó mọ ilé ló máa wá invite ẹ tó máa lóò dá lóhùn, àbí táwọn kan máa ní kó má dá lóhùn, ó tiẹ̀ dá. Ó yẹ kẹ́ sọ pé Yomi yẹn parọ́ ẹ̀, ó yẹ tiẹ̀ lọ kọ́ọ̀tù, mo ti sọ ilé ìsìn. rú àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà tí sùtù wọn kódù yẹn ó yẹ kẹ́ lọ charge mi sí court pé gbólé tí mo ti ẹ̀ sọ àdúgbò ẹ charge mi sí court kí ti ẹ̀kọ́ rí fíìmù yín wò lẹ́ẹ̀kan mo fẹ́ rí fíìmù yín kàtẹ́jọ́ mo ní kẹ́ involve mi ibi tó lápẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ kọ̀ wọ́ mi wọlé kàtẹ́jọ́ face ara wa ẹ jọ mú mi jọ torí ọlọ́dà mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ tí ò yẹ kí sọ lọ́ọ̀yà ẹ Wunmi ẹ gbé mi sí court kájọ pàdé báyìí ṣé mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ tí ò yẹ kí sọ mo ti parọ́ mọ́ ẹ̀ náà I've lied against you sue me to court ẹni ẹ bá mi dáwọ́ fún náà kó gbé mi lọ kóòtù mi ò fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ lórí social media mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ ríra wa sójú kalẹ̀ mo máa yẹ máa wára wa sọ̀rọ̀ àbá lè bèrè case file gbogbo oníkálukú àdásẹ̀sì ra wa ẹ wá mọ̀ ya mo ń parọ́ àbí mi ì parọ́ mi ò fẹ́ wo wèrè tẹ́ ìṣe lórí social media yẹn kí ẹ máa ju blow lórí social media ṣó ń kọ́ra wọn ni o lè ju blow o lè ju punch o lè ju legal punch lórí social media kó kọ́ anybody so aláti ra physically and ẹni kẹta yẹn ẹni yẹn wọ fún rẹ and if what the person did was in your face ask yourself so o jẹ̀bùn prison àbí o jẹ̀bùn prison and you kept quiet over a year ṣé yẹn ọlọ́mọ jẹ́ kéèyàn ṣíyàwó fẹ́ àwọn kọ́tà kan tìbọ̀ anywhere káàkiri kan kọ́ lọ́ọ́ máa ṣọ́ wa gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tí yẹn kọ́ lọ́ọ́ ń ṣe kiri pẹ̀lú kéèyàn àkóbá àdábọ̀ ọlọ́mọ yẹn kéèyàn rí olú ẹ̀kọ́ ìyẹn náà tọ́ ọba pè sí akọ̀sáré máa le tó bá ti rọ́mú báyìí ó bàbá lé sálẹ̀ kò ní bèrè pé aláyé ṣé kí n gbéra ó ti rí ọmọ tó kọ̀ kó ọyàn síta báyìí àbí wàá ti máa sáré máa dìde ẹ̀yin áńgẹ́lì tẹ́ ń kírètì àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀yin gbọ́dọ̀ bá ìpera wa lẹ́jọ́ angel when we get to heaven we have case to answer you cannot create okay I will see something I don't know whether this thing I want to go for it you are already standing up down and the next thing they will say you lose control ẹ̀yin ọkọ̀ máa lọ kọlu ẹni tí yóò kó kọlu the next thing I gbọ́ ọmọ bíi ẹ̀dá ìgbà tó ń ṣe òmò mà ti lóyún olú ẹ ti rọ́ọ̀lù nìyẹn ó di bàbá bébì wọ́n máa bèrè ta ni bàbá bébì ẹ wò báwo láńgẹ́lì gan ìmọ̀ láńgẹ́lì ti irú inspiration yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká bèrè lọ́wọ́ ara wa àwọn áńgẹ́lì gan yẹn ń ṣèṣekúṣe áńgẹ́lì ẹ̀yin gan kéèyàn fura sọ̀rọ̀ yín kí lẹ rò ní gbogbo yẹn lọ́rùn ọ̀run lẹ́wà áńgẹ́lì wà lọ́rùn ẹ̀dẹ̀ ronú pé kókó máa lé kí ni ẹjọ́ kí lẹ rò débẹ̀ táyà áńgẹ́lì fi rò dábìsí pé ẹ̀yin ṣèṣekúṣe lọ́rùn ẹ̀yin náà lẹ rò pé kéèyàn máa wẹ̀tì ẹ̀yin náà lẹ rò pé kéèyàn ẹ̀yin lẹ kírètì pé ok kírètì ọkọ̀ kó máa squat kí ni gbogbo level yẹn pọ́sí gbogbo kí ni tẹ dálẹ̀ sí ọ̀lára sí ó kó bá ẹlòmíì ó ní wo èèyàn ní bóyá kéèyàn tẹ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí dáfá kó tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fẹ́ anybody kéèyàn wá mọ̀ pé ẹni tó ń fẹ́ gan because ẹ kọ bèrè wò ẹ jẹ́ ká wò ẹni tó búṣẹ́ yẹn lẹ̀ ohun tí mo mọ̀ tó ṣọ́ọ̀jù there is one third person nobody had the name of that person gogo tó gbé yín láti jọ ìrìn yẹn and don't forget that time tí kéèsì ṣẹlẹ̀ there was nowhere Damola Ayinde Habib there was nowhere he was interrogated or investigated that is the reason why tí ẹlẹ́dàá Mohbad fi mú lẹ́sìn ni he was part of those that carried Mohbad's body òun bọ̀ jẹ́ kí n bá yín play ẹ̀ kẹgbọ́n list àwọn tí wọ́n interrogate ẹ má travel o. Mo fẹ́ play come and hear the list of names of those people that police interrogated them. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ kọ́ gbọ́ list àwọn tó gbé Mohbad lọ wọ́n gbé lọ hospital. Ẹ máa gbọ́ o.
Zone injection was administered. Ms. Isao confirmed that Mohbad started vomiting, while goose pimples appeared on his face and all over his body. At this point, it dawned on Miss Faraya that Mohbad was reacting to the administered medications. She consequently ran out to procure hydro and interfering infusion. While at the pharmacy in the locality, she got a call that Mohbad has started convulsing. Eventually, Cynthia Omoduni, Adebanjo, Adura Baby Sheldrak, Aloba, Olariwaju Idris, Adedoja, Aide Habib, Ido Yaramola, Aderinto Fawaz, and Miss Faraya rushing to the hospital in the vehicle of Engineer Chinaka, Jesse, their neighbor. Unfortunately, he was pronounced dead on arrival at Kurabet Hospital.
Did you hear the names of those that took Mohbad to the hospital? Were you able to hear the names of those that took him, or I should play it again? Then I will now play to you the names of those that police said they interrogated. I realized that Habib Ainde Damola was not part of them. That is another thing. But because God works in a way we don't understand, Mohbad's spirit is now fighting for himself. You are my blood. I don't care whatever you have in consonance or in oath with these people. What we share together is bigger than what you share with them. Go and speak the truth to Yomi Fabiyi. Let me play to you so that I got that out. My play also investigation now. How interrogate. Listen again.
Immediately, the central zone injection was administered. Miss Faraya confirmed that Mohbad started vomiting, while goose pimples appeared on his face and all over his body. At this point, it dawned on Miss Faraya that Mohbad was reacting to the administered medications. She consequently ran out to procure hydro and interfering infusion. While at the pharmacy in the locality, she got a call that Mohbad has started convulsing. Eventually, Cynthia Omoduni, Adebanjo, Adura Baby Sheldrak, Aloba, Olariwaju Idris, Adedoja, Aide Habib, Ido Yaramola, Aderinto Fawaz, and Miss Faraya rushing to the hospital in the vehicle of Engineer Chinaka.
Did you pick the names? Or do I take it back? Let me take it back a bit so that I can hear the names. Please pay attention. He's the number 4th person.
Cynthia Omoduni, Adebanjo, Adura Baby Sheldrak, Aloba, Olariwaju.
It's not very clear.
She got a call that Mohbad.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, guys. Again, Wole Kibai. This one should be better. Let me see.
Was said to be tipsy and hyperactive, became infuriated, and as he attempted to come down to clear the road, Ibrahim, his friend, prevailed on him not to do so for his personal safety. Who noticed the increasing pains, further insisted that he must go to the hospital for treatment. Mohbad still resisted and opted to call his personal nurse, identified as Nurse Wunmi, who unfortunately was not available. At this point, Ayoba Mesodi spending offered to call his own nurse to attend to Mohbad. That nurse turned out to be the auxiliary nurse, Miss Faraya Ogedengbe, a suggestion that Mohbad consented to. When Miss Faraya was contacted at about 14:30 hours on Monday, 11 September 2023, she was unavailable but promised to come the following day, being Tuesday, 12 September 2023. Ahead of her arrival, She requested that a picture of the swollen hand or injury area be videoed and snapped and sent to her for assessment to guide on the medication to come along with. This was eventually done. At about 14:35 hours on 12th September 2023, Ms. Faraya eventually arrived armed with one pack of cetrazone injection, one vial paracetamol injection, tetanus toxoid injection, one vial procaine penicillin injection, 7 ampoules of IM diclofenac, tincture iodine, several needles and syringes. Ms. Faraya administered the tetanus toxoid on the arm of Mohbad and gave both the paracetamol and cetrazone injection intravenously. Immediately the cetrazone injection was administered, Ms. Faraya confirmed that Mohbad started vomiting, while goose pimples appeared on his face and all over his body. At this point, it dawned on Ms. Faraya that Mohbad was reacting to the administered medications. She consequently ran out to procure hydro and nizafene infusion. While at the pharmacy in the locality, she got a call that Mohbad has started convulsing. Eventually, Cynthia Omoduni Adebanjo, Adura Abeli Shedrack Aloba, Olariwaju Idris Adedoja, Ayinde Habib Ido Daramola, Aderinto Fawaz, and Ms. Faraya rushed him to the hospital in the vehicle of Engineer Chinaka, Jesse, their neighbor. Unfortunately, he was pronounced dead on arrival at Kurabed Hospital.
Did you get the names now? It was number 4. Now I'll take you back to Kawawa until one interrogate. Only investigation I will traverse on. Let me see if it's there.
Crime scene visits. Detectives have also visited the residence of the deceased at Lekki. The intention was to review the CCTV footage.
Before I even let you to listen to this, after all this happened, on conjecture on Shekiriko, when Mohbad passed away, they took Mohbad's body, they went to bury it in Ikorodu, the public made noise, police came in and they started investigation. The cocoa of the matter is, police confirmed that they recovered the syringe. That crime scene was not cordoned. Ejo, taloko syringe yẹn, talo lọ tọ́jú ẹ̀, talo padà kó fọ́lọ́pàá, nbo lọ kó sí. So they know they should keep the syringe, but they allowed the nurse to go. Ẹ má worry. Ẹ má gbọ́ sí o.
Was to review the CCTV footage in the house. Unfortunately, the CCTV was out of order. It's not functional even before this incident.
Out of order, not that it was not installed. Out of order. Listen carefully. I'll take it back. Out of order, but they did not. We don't know when it became out of order. Police were able to get on out of order. Koshepe, it was not installed. Koshepe, it was not working before. But Wunmi will tell us when did the CCTV stopped working, and who installed the CCTV? Come and tell us. He thought he saved tele. Wunmi shared the same iCloud with Mohbad. It is undeniable. We have the voice. They both said yes. They both shared. She said, I have my own stuff there too. Ìwọ̀nba tí iCloud ẹjọ́ share tí CCTV yẹn ti mú àlàfẹ́rí àní àfẹ́rí àìmárì yẹn ẹni tó máa sọ pé àníri ẹni yẹn tó pọ̀lẹ̀ tó pa Mohbad ìtajọ́ máa fèsì ẹ̀ àfi kẹ́ máa dúró lórí social media but ẹni yẹn tó bá ti bọ́ síta physically àní a máa sún wèrè pa a máa bú so papọ̀ ẹjọ́ wà ń di ẹ̀ ni ẹ fẹ́ rí kíni kí ló wà nù pé kò wọ iCloud tí wàá ti èèyàn ti jọ share papọ̀ àní a máa rí CCTV tá a máa dára sí ẹgbọ́n fíìmù.
However, the visit led to the recovery of remnants of drugs and injections and other test kits administered by the auxiliary nurse, including 1 tetanus toxoid injection, 3 used syringes, 2 used syringes filled with suspected medicine contents, 1 packet of cetrazone solution, propane penicillin injection, empty broken pack of diclofenac injection, paracetamol diluted with water for injection, 6 hand gloves, 1 bandage, 1 plaster, and 1 iodine solution. Also separately recovered is the mobile phone of the deceased. All have been registered as exhibits.
Mobile phone, not phones. That means they only took one. Emma Wulo.
We also visited the investigation team, also visited Pyramid Hospital, Perez Hospital, Chandelier Nightclub, VI, which represents one of the scenes where the deceased in the viral video was assaulted at the Elegushi Beach also. Medical opinion. In addition, as part of investigative efforts that are aimed at obtaining expert opinion in the likely cause of death of Mohbad through a professional review of the actions of auxiliary nurse Felisayo Ogedengbe, the principal suspect. On 26 September 2023, a team of medical doctors, pharmacists, and nurses drawn from the pharmacy Council of Nigeria directed at addressing 2 fundamental questions. Firstly, what are the immediate chain of events that the following action? The musician.
I will give you the list. My crop I'll play for you probably today or tomorrow so that you can hear those that were interrogated and you realize that this Damola was never interrogated. But as God will have it, ẹjọ ṣé interrogation ò lójú wọ́n tún fẹ́ ṣe kò fẹ́ gba interrogation fúnra rẹ̀ ló submit rẹ̀ pé kè mí ni mò ń bá Yomi sọ̀rọ̀. He wanted to take the fall. They thought it's going to be a walkover to them. ẹ má gbàgbé pé when they started their Ogombo story they were thinking by that time Yomi Fabiyi will be police cell. Wọn ò tí ì mọ mẹ̀mẹ̀ wọn ò mọ fútẹ̀. You will see that their double agents will come up with narrative, will be telling you ẹ̀yin abiyamọ tó tọ́ Yomi Fabiyi yẹn wọ́n máa gbé tádúrà tí ó bá sùn Yomi ẹ wò láti ìgbà yẹn di sí ṣáàdúrà ò tí ì rí mi sùn. Ẹ máa jókòó sórí social media àwọn ọmọ tí ò tó yín lọ́jọ́ orí ẹlòmíì tẹ̀mọ̀ bóyá ó ti ní mental problem tó ń fi social media gbéra a máa kó yín jọ ẹ̀yin lè fẹ́ jèrè àwọn tẹ́bí a máa tàn yín kíyàn máa sọ fún mi nírú kéèsì tó clear báyìí tí mò ń ṣe pẹ̀lú inú kan kọ́ máa nírú àdúrà nírú kéèsì báyìí ẹni tó yẹ kó bọ́ sí kọ̀rọ̀ kó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n n tẹ́ ṣe you are fighting for my brother, my own blood, my own flesh and blood. You didn't lie against me, Uncle Yomi. You didn't steal my phone, Uncle Yomi. You did not hack into my TikTok, Uncle Yomi. It was my original TikTok. Uncle Yomi, that video, I saw it before now. I am meant to even speak out. Uncle Yomi, that phone, it's my phone. You are right. The only thing is, I know it will be difficult for you to believe I am not the one. But please, help me let the share. One rope, you know your benye. How I charge you? I don't know what they take me for. I don't even understand. And they able. You're 25 years. You know age you get kẹwàá wo tí mo ti ń lórúkọ kẹwàá wo iyọ 25 kúrò nínú èjì ẹ ni mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wà nù ayé tí mo ti miss wọn àwọn àgbáwo tí star ti ń rùn lára mi kó wá wò sùsù kó nírú àdúrà ọmọ 22 years náà ti bí tí mo ti ń dábí ẹnu tí mo ti ń rọ̀ bí ọ̀wẹ̀ màá wò at this stage ohun tí mi ò ṣe kà no evil. I didn't commit any evil. The only thing I am doing is that Mohbad sọ pé ẹ̀gbọ́n I go use your body fight for my justice. But don't worry, I will push my brother. He will speak the truth. I just need you allow me to use your body to the fight on. Anybody that try to mess up, I will deal with them. And why was Susu? Iyatowabia Mobadi is now fighting me, say now that I deliberately did not push that Adura should be detained. As we speak, I am still fighting that Adura should be protected and nothing should happen to him. Because at the end of the day, the only thing I want you to do is, Adura, if you are told that you join Mobad, that truth, need this station and you will not be processed. You were not processed the first time. I investigated, I went to Panti, I did everything. You were not processed. Kojo, Mofola Babura, you will be processed this time. It is the law. Afitia, except you don't want this country to get better. Because Mohbad's case is a global national case. The world is watching us. Some few people think they can just mess up with the law and the constitution of a country. Particularly on a serious case like this that people are interested in. How do you want the government to flourish? Somebody who is sick upstairs will not tell you, in spite of me coming clean. No, I didn't even plan anything. Okay, let me go and pick Adura's phone. And they even lied. They said I was the one that asked somebody to go, which is not even true. Why would I go to that extreme in my life? It came natural. And Mohbad says, mo fi Ọlọ́run babura ẹ lọ kọ́ pé mo sọ tí Wunmi ò bá dé ibẹ̀ yẹn tí ò bá dé zone 2 yẹn ẹ pè mí ní àfi tó bá sá lọ pátápátá ẹ lọ sọ pé mo sọ ẹ tó bá fẹ́ ta tẹ́tẹ́ yẹn kó ta pé wọ́n tí ò bá lọ fún rẹ̀ mo fi Ọlọ́run babura máa gbé àárọ̀ la my NGO will pressure the police and they will make sure a warrant of arrest is issued lọ́la yẹn kó pe lọ́ọ̀yà ìbọ́ta and that means anywhere they find her they will pick her up. Tí yẹn bá ti jáde tí mi bá ti lọ sí gbogbo bọ́dà lọ pariwo pé warrant of arrest ti wá o kẹ́pẹ́ mi lọ́mọ àlè tó bá ti di ọ̀la I will personally ask the lawyer to go to the police. They will go to court tomorrow. They will meet the judge in chamber and a warrant of arrest to be issued. Ṣẹlẹ̀ ìyá wèrè you cannot be running for a serious case like this. Ìwọ tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ọdún kan àwọn àjọ dẹ̀ ni. Àwọn ajẹ́ mímú nílùú tí ọlọ́ba tó níjòyè. Ẹ wá wọnú ilé ẹrú yàn pa ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tó ní tálẹ́ǹtì ọmọlọ́mọ tó ń kọrin ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wo ló ṣe yìí tí ọmọ mi ò lè ṣe. My own son cannot offend somebody in Nigeria tí ó pààyàn ẹ wá wọlé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ́rùn káà máa wò yìí torí èyí lè máa kọ́ mọ̀ yàn ẹ sọ ní tẹ́mọ̀ kí n ṣe ẹ̀kọ́ mọ̀ tell me who you know ẹ sọ ní tẹ́mọ̀ ẹ kò sọ ní tẹ́mọ̀ rádaràdá.
Introducing FlexiCredit, a credit product that helps you access funds wherever and when.
Online, láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù. Ọmọ kọ́ sáré kọ́ lọ, ọmọ issue ẹ̀ fún. Ó dá ò ní time mọ́. This is a serious case. They know it is dangerous. If this person have a miss with this level, she might ọmọ kan sí kò sí tó jọmọ́. Tọ́mọ ẹ bá yàgbé yín gbé wọ́n kọ́ ló fẹ́ tọ́jú ẹ̀ kọ́ di dọ́kítọ̀ fún tó ṣe yẹn kò sí tó jọ́sẹ̀. Ẹjẹ́ àti ẹ̀kọ́ old àwọn alájọ nílùú náà á lè bá ṣe bí we own this country together. Kí lè bá wa kù? Tó bá fi di Saturday Sunday tí mi tó bá ti di ọ̀la tó bá fi di 10 o'clock tí o bá ti dé zone 2 tó bá di Saturday Sunday tí mi bá lọ sí bọ́dà Kútọ́nù bọ́dà ìdúrókò airport international airport kí n lọ pariwo sí gbogbo everybody jẹ́ àwọn ọmọ yẹn fẹ́ jáde kúrò Nàìjíríà ẹ̀yẹ́ jẹ́ kó lọ wò ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká tiẹ̀ kò gbọ́ kó lọ lẹ́yìn tá a ti pariwo síta pé ẹ̀bù wọ́n sọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ kó sá kúrò Nàìjíríà káriwo kẹwàá mú mi pé mo commit offence lọ́la bóyá àwọn ló ní Nàìjíríà o bóyá àwọn apààyàn ló ní Nàìjíríà o ẹ̀jẹ̀ àjọba wò bọ̀ ẹ máa pa anybody tó máa sún yín torí àmúṣekere àfi pákéjì sí àwọn òpin káwọn lẹ̀ fún yín ẹ rò pé àwọn wà lẹ́fọ̀ àwọn tó máa ṣe pèrè fún tó bá ti lọ bẹ̀ kí gbogbo bọ́dà yẹn ẹ máa expect mi bẹ̀ tí bá ti níbẹ̀ kẹ́ bùbí so lọ́gbẹ̀bẹ̀ kọjá ó mọ̀ kó lóhùn ọkùnrin lọ́wọ́ jọ́mpà kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí rẹ́sì bọ́ọ̀lù ń bọ́dà kó ní kọjá kó kọjá lọ́gbẹ̀bẹ̀ kọjá àfi tó wá kó ti sá lọ o bọ̀ tí ó bá ti sá lọ tó ìwà Nàìjíríà máa wo fíìmù bọ̀ torí àwọn àgọ́ àwọn ọ̀bọ̀bí tí kú Mohbad ti wá ṣebí torí àkọ́ fọ́lọ̀ òfin ni we are only following the law ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ìwọ́n dẹ̀ làwa ẹ̀yẹ ọlọ́pàá ẹ bá ṣiṣẹ́ yín bí iṣẹ́ ẹ̀wọ́n náà ní gọ́ọ̀nà ní gbogbo ẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ ní kíní kí mo ń ṣe fíìmù sí mo ń ṣe ibà ìbá fáwọn tó láyé kí n kọ fíìmù lẹ̀ kí n kọ bẹ̀ tọ́ mi lẹ̀ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pa mí kí n má jèrè iṣẹ́ mi àbí torí ẹ̀kọ́ lóun bí òun lòun fẹ́ ọ̀kan kọ́ ẹ wá yanjú èmi dànù ẹ wá sílẹ̀kùn fólè ẹ sílẹ̀kùn wá pa mí sínú ilé ẹ máa wò bọ̀ tó bá ma fi di 10 lọ́la tí ìbá ti gbọ́ wàá rí fíìmù àjọ ní kóòtù bó ṣe wà yẹn kóòtù yẹn is the hope for the last common man ohun tó ṣúọ̀jù ni pé ẹni tó pa èèyàn àbí tó lẹ́bọ lẹ́rù ó lè lẹ́nu ní kóòtù the public the NGO they get out for you pass anything ní kóòtù gan lẹ́nu jọ ọlọ́pàá lọ́bẹ̀ àjọba fàájà. Past 10 wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí kíyàn kiri nínú zone 2 bí onínáwó ẹ̀wọ̀n tọ́ra yìí tẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé mi ẹ gbé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ń tẹ̀lé tẹ́ bá sọ pé ó ní power ṣẹ̀bẹ̀ ní àwọn èèyàn wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ kò fi àdírẹ́sì ilé ẹ̀dọ́ mi wò ẹ kò fi dán mi wò pé Yomi àtẹ̀fẹ́ wò ya ó tẹ̀ máa ń lẹ́nu ẹ kò fi bá mi ṣeré wò lálẹ́ ẹ bá mi fi ṣeré wò ní alẹ́ ẹ kò send ẹ díẹ̀ pé Yomi akọ̀fẹ́ wò pé you are making mouth this is where I live ọmọ yìí kò fi bá mi ṣeré ọmọ ilẹ̀ fi bá mi ṣeré wò ipe àní àwọn tó jù yín lọ tó ju AIG lọ wọ́n ti níbi gbọ́dọ̀ dá AIG lóhùn tí àbá tó ò bá mọ bó ṣe lọ lálẹ́ ẹ kò fi bá mi ṣeré wò DM pé she has not done anything wrong Mr. Yomi you are just shouting this is where she is ibi tó ti ń ta àwọn òkú rẹ̀ ó yá jù sáwà kò fi bá mi ṣeré wò just send it kò send ẹ̀ sí mi wò bóyá ẹ̀ ní gbọ́ fíìmù breaking news ẹ̀ rí ẹ̀ máa ya sóni ìsọmọ abọ́dì ń ṣeré bí ẹni tó wà wájú embassy nínú American embassy tó fẹ́ gba visa àkọ́tí ní congratulations tí sódẹ̀ bọ́ǹdì ẹ̀ tí ẹ bá ẹnìyẹn ìgbà ẹni wọn kọ́lọ́hún ò kọlà pọ̀ ó nílà Abẹ́òkúta àbí Lájẹ̀bú ọ̀rọ̀ ìwà rẹ̀ ilẹ̀ rẹ̀ bá ń ṣe. It's not about one person. It's for the collective benefit of all of us. Then, if it is all of us that will benefit, why should I sit back at home? Why should I act like it doesn't concern me? Because you want to enjoy your freedom as a young person, as a young adult, as a teenager, as an adolescent. You want to make decisions. You want to okay, if you want to leave your boyfriend's house and say, you know what, I want to leave out now, and not that he will gag and then strang and say, Mumbai sort of, then they start doing a sort of abracadabra. That is what we're saying. You need to rise up and understand that it is time for you to know that this country belongs to you and you must play a part. Don't think the governor will be the only one working here and there and then they will deliver the mandate for you. No, you must play a part. Nobody's going to live here forever. But you must play a part now and make life better or a little bit better so that the next generation can take it from where we stopped. That is what we're saying. That is why I am giving back. I am saying I want to give back. Public gave me the voice. They gave me the face. They gave me the fame. Before I say, what can I do to give back to the society? Mohbad is voiceless. He cannot say thank you. He cannot even say, I want justice. But we should give him that voice. We should stand up and say, whoever is involved should know that whatever it is that is your excuse for taking his life, it is unacceptable, it is evil, it is criminally laced, and you must pay according to the law. And there is no police, no court, no government official will say what we are asking for is unacceptable, is illegitimate. We cannot assume a 26-year-old or 24-year-old and then we will return him back with lies.
Ẹ tún káàbọ̀ padà ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi bó lẹ ṣe rí fọ́nrán yìí sí abẹ́rẹ́ pé nǹkan kì í ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ràgó. Ó yá ẹ̀wọ̀n ní Wunmi ìyàwó Mohbad ti jápa o ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú tòun tẹ̀rín. ṣé bí a tún gbọ́ ní kòpẹ́kòpẹ́ yìí wípé wọ́n ní pé sìnkún àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti tẹ Wunmi o níbi tó ti ń gbìyànjú láti jápa kúrò lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà àmọ́ tuntun lélẹ́yìí o wípé Wunmi padà yọ́bọ́rọ́ mọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́ o kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gan kí ló dé bó o lọ̀rọ̀ ń ṣe jẹ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ dákun dábọ̀ ẹ̀ tún súnmọ́ bí o ẹ̀ tún wá gbọ́ làbárí ọ̀rọ̀ bó ti ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá ó kún fọ́fọ́ ó kún bámbám sínú fọ́nrán eléyìí tí mo mú wá fún yìí. alàgbà Yomi Fabiyi wọ́n ń jábọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n ń ré bọ̀rọ̀ nínú fọ́nrán eléyìí tí mo mú wá yìí. wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀ gan nípa ọ̀rọ̀ 3-second video tó ń sọ wípé àdúrà send sáwọn onírúurú ọ̀rọ̀ ló tún jẹyọ nínú fọ́nrán eléyìí. ẹ̀yin èèyàn mẹ́dà kan dábọ̀ ìsúnmọ́ bí ẹ bá àwọn nǹkan fìdílé tàbí kẹ́ fìdílé nǹkan kẹ́tún wá gbọ́ làbárí ọ̀rọ̀ tó rọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti ń gbẹnu tán báyìí ó ti ń lékè ńkà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló pakasọ o àmọ́ ohun kan tó dé mi lójú gbangba ni wípé ìdájọ́ òdodo yóò padà fojú hàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad bọ́tà fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀ báwọn èèyàn fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀ ìdájọ́ òdodo òun ni gbogbo ó padà rí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad fight tí everybody ń jà fún yín. ẹ wo ẹ̀yin èèyàn má jẹ́ ń da yín lágara ẹ jẹ́ ń sáré gbé fọ́nrán ẹ̀ wọlé kẹ́ wá gbọ́ awuyewuye lẹ́nu alàgbà Yomi Fabiyi torí wọ́n tún pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ nínú fọ́nrán eléyìí tí mo mú wáyé kó tó di pé mo gbé yín débẹ̀.
Àròyé TV rèé ẹ láìkì ẹ sọ̀scribe kẹ́ ẹ sì máa fọ́lọ́.
Òkèláwà téńté.
Àròyé TV rèé ẹ láìkì ẹ sọ̀scribe kẹ́ ẹ sì máa fọ́lọ́.
Òkèláwà téńté.